How to use Pinterest Analytics to improve pins. So in this video, I will show you how to use Pinterest Analytics. All you have to do first is go to pinterestanalytics.com and it will show you this page. So the first thing you can see here is the overview analytics on Pinterest. So the overview analytics section is your main dashboard inside Pinterest Analytics. It gives you a summary of how your overall Pinterest content is performing all in one place. So think of it as your home base for performance insights. Here you can see impressions, engagement, pin clicks, outbound clicks, and save pins, total audience, engaged audience, and top pins. In the audience insight, you can see here demographics, age, gender, location, interest, what topics your audience engage with most. So you can use this data to design pins that match your audience preferences, for example, home decor ideas or DIY candles. In the compare section, this analytics lets you compare static pins, video pins, and idea pins. Static great for blogs or product links, idea pins better for engagement, tutorials, tips, recipes. So the strategy is use both static pins for traffic, idea pins for growth, and visibility. So basically here you can also track website performance. So you can see here which pins drive traffic to your website, how many conversions or actions users take after clicking through. This helps identify your most profitable or shareable content. Once you know that, then basically you can create more. So here you can review analytics every 7 to 14 days. In the analytics Pinterest, you can focus on click-through rate or CTR. It shows real interest. You could also create A/B pin versions of your top content right here. So using Pinterest Analytics help you move from guessing to growing by tracking what your audience loves and adjusting your visual keywords and timing. You'll turn good pins into viral pins and that drive consistent traffic and engagement. So basically, that's how easy it is to use Pinterest Analytics to improve pins. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.